Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Hello learners, this is your educator CACS Shantam Gupta. I'm a qualified chartered accountant and a company secretary. I have been teaching CACS CMA Foundation students for the past 4 years on various online and offline platforms. And today I have a questionnaire put forward to me by Unacademy where they intend that the students get to know me better. So let's dive into the rapid fire questionnaire and let's see what Unacademy has in store for me. So if I would not have been an educator, I would definitely be a model and a full-time athlete. That is what I would have been doing. Who inspires me the most? Virat Kohli and Cristiano Ronaldo are the two people from whom I draw my inspiration. Most of them because of their work ethics. What is the one thing you would want to cross off my bucket list will be I want to travel. And I want to travel to Greece. That is my travel destination which I want to travel because I'm not able to do that because of the busy schedule that I have, but I sure want to do that. Students don't know the fact that my fitness journey actually did not happen because of any creative desire to look great. It only started because in my college days, I was being neglected by my friends, I was being bullied, and let's face it, let's be frank, I was dumped by my girlfriend. That is how it started. Okay, let's be honest. If you're being honest with students, let's be very honest with them. I love beaches. I'm not a mountain person. I love beaches because obviously I have the looks, so why not the beach, right? Every one of us watches those English movies and Hindi movies where they see the actresses flaunting their six-pack abs. If you have them, why go for the mountains? Go for the beaches. Tea or coffee? Sir, I'm a coffee person. I have coffee 6 times in a day, all black coffee, no milk, no sugar. I love coffee. That is the thing that keeps me going between classes. Favorite web series will be Originals, a supernatural series. I love supernatural series, and because of my profession, there is one series that I love the most. I've watched it multiple times, is Suits, which is on Netflix. So remember to watch it as well. My favorite workout will be, I love to train my shoulders. I just love to train my shoulders. Apart from that, I also go into like yoga, meditation. I do all types of stuff. The question which is being asked to me so many times, am I coming on Unacademy Plus? Yes guys, the news is there and whatever you have heard is true. I am coming on Unacademy Plus and it will be done within the month. And I'm coming on the platform to change your thinking about all theory papers, how they are studied, how they are taught. I'll change everything. What is the first thing that comes to my mind when I think about? Take it. Unacademy is survivor. The Unacademy is the sole survivor of all the education that is there happening during the period of COVID. Unacademy has come out as a knight in shining armor for us. Combining so many educators together, it is my survivor, the go-to person. Can I put forward 2 lines? I'm not too good at singing, but still I'll try. Okay, so it goes like, Chal ut ja zara, let's crack it, zor laga, let's crack it, bheed ko tod de tu, let's crack it, raaste mod de tu, let's crack it. So guys, I'm coming to crack it with you. Let's crack CACS Foundation together. You will find me on the Unacademy platform very soon. I'll see you on the other side of this video. I hope you liked it. Do like, subscribe the channel, and remember, you'll find a lot of content coming from me on this channel. So make sure you are regular on it and press the bell icon. See you guys. Bye bye.